Mic check. Alright. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. One moment. Di ba lang naka-on ang lights ko? Yan, magandang gabi. Pasensya na, medyo late tayo. Napasarap ang kain ko. Na-neglect ko yung oras. That was my bad. Pasensya na. But then again, magandang gabi, everyone. Speaking of magandang gabi, PSEi on a green day. Napawisan pa ako. Sobrang sarap ng ulam eh. PSEi on a green day. Ayan. Not that guy. This guy right here. PSEi. Ayan. Up 0.52%. Napakaliit lang. 36.25 points. But net foreign selling po tayo. 352.05. That's a lot of money coming out from our country, from our economy. And we're reaching resistances naman. Right? So, bearish move. Even if you're already reaching resistances, nag-green tayo, but hindi sinasakyan ng mga buying. So, sadly, anyways, nag-green pa naman tayo overall, but it's not that strong. And that's that's understandable because we're sitting in the resistances kasi, diba? So, yan. Updates lang muna naman tayo. It's a Friday night. Dapat nag-enjoy tayo. But then again, kamusta ang trades ninyo? ROX, APL, grabe, 10.9% climb kay APL ngayon. Right. ASEN even unstoppable, umaakyat pa rin. We even thought, ano ba yung sinasabi natin resistance kahapon? 11.32, what resistance? Diba? Wala pang ang pula pa rin. So, congratulations sa mga may ASEN dyan. Converge even still going up 4.29%. And yun, sobrang dami. Ang ganda pa rin ng mga positions. But then again, those are already way up there, high up there. If naiwanan na kayo, huwag kayo maiinggit. Okay? Let's talk about that. Let's talk more about it in a bit. Let me go to the comments really quick. One moment. Whew, ang init, grabe. Alright. So, let me just go to the... May open lang ako One moment. Alright, let me go to the comments really quick and chill music tayo. Sobrang lakas. Hindi naman naririnig na. Gusto ko kasi naririnig rin ng konti. Ayan. So, that's good to know. Alright, magandang gabi. Let me just go. Where is it? There to. Earl John Ginto, good evening. Dave Viola, good evening. Po, Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Artsy Gams, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ronnie Murillo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good gabi sa inyo. Alright, speaking of magandang gabi, right? Ang ganda ng gabi natin. It's not showing. It's not updating here. I don't know why. Let me just open my report. So, 564. Let me just share, let me open something really quick. Ano nagpapaganda sa gabi ko? Sorry. Here we go. So, let me share my screen. So, what you're seeing right now is a mirror of my mobile phone. It's a mirror siya. Let me just shorten it a bit para ma-shoot sa screen. Kapon we were just around 550 and now it's now at $564 po yung gains natin. This is a $500 account. 250 lang po ang credit niyan because nakasalupo sa what do you call this? Nakasalupo sa pang drawdown yung other half nito. But now it's already up $564. $250 lang po ang ginagamit nito. The $250 is the credit available kasi pang drawdown po yan. But we're already up $564. That means $64 na po kinita nito. So most probably sa $500, 64 is around 11%? Right? 60. It's no, malaki pa. sa 50%, I mean sa $500, 10%, sorry. Yeah, hindi nag-update kasi dito sa hindi nag-update dito sa what do you call this? Sa Izanagi ko. It's still at 530. So I have to open my screen. It's already up $564. So doble na to. So more or less nasa more than 10% na yung kita natin for this account alone, right? So this is what's making my day very good. Kahit na wala akong ginagawa gaano, right? It's trading for myself. Congratulations, we are now up 191%. Woo! Almost 200% na po tayo and we're still in September. Izanagi, ladies and gentlemen. This is what's making my day very good. Kahapon, 170 plus pa lang yan. Almost 180. Now it's 191%. Hopefully, you're already earning. Please post your earnings in the comments. Please share it with me. Gustong-gusto ko kasi yun. Motto ko kasi talaga is let's get rich together. I love it when I hear that you guys are taking profits already. Let me know how your Izanagi is doing already, right? Earl John, yan, magandang gabi. Ronnie Murillo, good evening. Darwin, right? Darwin, Joseph Sakinia, right? Sakinia. Good evening, sir. Possible po ba maging blue chip si Monde? Salamat po. If it keeps doing well, then there's always a possibility, right? Sir Lloyd, pwede po bang babasa kay SecB and DMC? Let's go. Sir, napansin ko lang may additional bonus ata po si XM after ng 100% deposit up to 500. Meron po palang atang 50% up to 500 USD then after ng 100 na. Nag-TP na sa Izanagi kagabi, sir. Yes, nag-TP si Izanagi kagabi. And this is the reason why I'm happy. 191% already. So, Earl John, how's your Izanagi? Please post it in the comments, man. Let me hear it. Let me read about it. Mike Eugenio, good evening, sir. Junior Aquino, magandang gabi. Let's check out SecB. At ngayong gabi naman, walang tayong gaanong updates. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo update yung sa Izanagi. Ganda eh. Tapos wala akong ginagawa na niyan. We poured our hearts out. Ganito lang ko eh. Ganun akong klaseng tao. Right? Tamad ako. Pero in a sense na hindi ko irresponsible na tamad. Because tamad ako, I pour energy sa simula ng isang bagay. And then, reap the benefits. Kaysa you started mediocre. When I was a manager, ang ginawa ko, when my team was still new, overtime kami, tinuturuan kayo lagi, ganyan. At a certain point, marunong na yung team ko. They already know what I want. They already know what to do. They're doing well. To a point na autopilot na sila kahit hindi ko nabantayan. Other managers are really having a hard time managing their teams. Nasa stress sila, ganyan. It's because they put in mediocre efforts sa start pa lang ng isang agent. Me, baliktad ako. I pour my heart at the start so that in the long run, relax na lang ako. Same with financial freedom. Yung ginawa namin sa financial freedom, for my financial freedom is simula pa lang. Buhos with the investments, etc. Ganyan. Wala mo nang relax, wala mo nang chill, wala mo nang party. Para, in the long run, mas chill na ako ngayon. Right? So hopefully, you adopt that kind of mentality also. Ganun ako, gusto ko ibuhos lahat sa simula while the fire is still there and it's burning red. That's where I strike para pag medyo wala na yung fire, medyo autopilot na. Same with your finances. Hopefully, you get that also. Medyo is my camera lagi. Okay lang na yan? Okay lang yan. Dinaan ko kasi sa isang Going to the screen, SecB. Downtrend pa to ha. Bumaba siya dito eh. Nag-break ng support dito. Right there. And then bumabagsak siya. So, I would say mukhang pababa pa si SecB. I will stay away from this one. Especially with the current state of the market. I don't want to go aggressive on this one. So SecB, yes, may support siya, but the market's not an aggressive market. So, you don't have to go aggressive also. Excuse me. DMC. Alright, DMC, mukhang lower highs na tayo kay DMC. MA20 is the best bounce. If ever the MA20 sustains, MA20 is gonna be your best entry point if gusto nyo pa i-trade ito. But it's already way up there. Nakalipad na po yan. Let's go for the dips lang muna for DMC before you wanna get in. Briley, good evening. Good evening. Regards ko ni Artsy Galamgam. Regards daw si Braille. Sana all may nagpapa-regards. Earl John, 19.7% and 10.2%, sir. 3 weeks and 2 weeks. In just 3 weeks, 20% kagad ang kita mo. Congratulations, man. Hopefully, you are already starting in Izanagi. If hindi, pag-register na kayo sa XM. XM has this promotion na double your investment. So, dodoblehin nila yan. So, mas malaki ang kitaan ninyo with your current funds. Diba? So, wait. Medyo nawala kanina yung live. Now it's back. Right, okay na. So, kamusta sa mga nanonood sa atin through YouTube? YouTube's not receiving enough. I'm not really sure what the problem is. Most probably my internet. Raymond Marquez, hi sir, if ever po ba mag-add og funds sa Izanagi, need pa po ba ng form to or direct deposit na lang? Direct deposit nyo na lang muna and then let the admin know, right? May nagko-contact sa'yo na admins, di ba? So let the admin know na nag-add ka ng funds, gusto mo i-add yung funds na yun. Ganun lang po, right? So wala pong problema. Right, so Dice, good evening. Red pa din ang position sa international market. Yes, because international market is kind of toppish. We kind of predicted that already. I was predicting a pullback sa international market and there it is. Pero nakabawi kahit konti. That's good to know from Dice. Nakakabawi ka na. That's good to know. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pag-guide po paano sumali kay Izanagi. This is from CJ Balmes 13. Andyan po sa video description. Let me just share my screen na lang siguro. Pakita ko sa inyo. Since today's gonna be a quick evening lang naman, updates na naman tayo. It's supposed to be an evening to what do you call this? To enjoy, diba? Friday night ngayon. But you guys are here. You want to learn, and I love that. That's why I still run this. Kahit po Friday evening. Araw-araw to, walang bayad. Libre lang education for you guys. Anyways, ayan, just go to your live ngayon. Go to see more. Meron kayo makikita dito, register for Valkyrie na bot if you like the Valkyrie. If ever gusto nyo mas lesser ang may bayad siya pero mas sure yung takbo kasi Valkyrie has been tested sa international po yung bot na yan. Si Izanagi naman, ang pang-test namin dito, we've already tested this. Nag-back testing pa nga tayo, may video tayo dyan. Just click on this registration right here. We'll bring you to this Google form right here sa B-Club. Your request is Izanagi. Then just follow the instructions right here. Okay? Type of options, micro account, swap free, no type of standard. I recommend go for the micro account na lang diretso. Right? No problem with this one right here. So, go for the micro account. Okay? Leverage, pili lang kayo. Leverage, ito yung mas maganda pili na leverage. Right? So, anyways, yan po. Then, once you're done with this, just follow the instructions. Then, pay may options dito. Then, bayaran nyo lang yung VPS. Yung VPS natin ngayon is up 500 pesos. We tried kasi na i-300 tapos isiksik kayo sa isang VPS servers. Kaso nga lang nagkakaroon ng errors. May mga trade calls na hindi nabibili kasi naglalag na yung VPS. So, ang ginawa namin, mas konti na lang in one VPS server. So, 10 sa isang VPS server. One of the reason why bakit na-delay yung Izanagi ninyo is the VPS is by batch. Hindi kasi pwede na siyam or 8 lang. Tapos i-run na namin, malulugi tayo with the VPS kasi libre na nga lang ito. Wala naman tayong gaano kinikita dito. So, antayin nyo lang yung batch nyo. But yeah, this is the process right here. So, yan. So, let me go to, good evening, Vincent Pascual. Magandang gabi. Let me go to the comments in Facebook once again. Raymond Marquez, hi sir. Ay, basa natin. Junior Aquino, Izanagi, nag-TP na siya this morning on my account. Paano siya mag-TP? Ano consideration niya for TP? Junior Aquino, sabihin mo muna kung magkano kita mo na. Right? Let me know how much you're earning already in Izanagi. And, hindi namin masabi sa inyo. Alright? As much as possible. I hope you understand. We program the bot that way, pero we wanna keep it as is, right? Gusto namin yung program, yung mga technical analysis and what do you call this? Parameters of buying and selling and target profits. We wanna keep that, right? So, hopefully you understand. Pasensya na if hindi ko masasagot yung tanong na yan. Sakit sa dibdib ko pag may tanong tas hindi ko sinasagot eh. Pero man, Junior Kino, let me know how your Izanagi has been doing, man. Rick Rodrigo, good evening, sir. Pwede po ba quick check kay APL? APL, one of the big winners earlier. So that is a very good signal for APL. Pull back and bounce. That's going to be your reverse head and shoulder pattern. That's a reversal signal. That will be your entry point. Pa-pull back nyo muna and then pa-bounce before you want to get in. Right? That's from Rick Rodrigo. Right. Ian Cesar Villanueva. Sir Lloyd, good evening. Green and APL. Thanks, sure man. Greenergy. And si Greenergy, ayan, nag-green pa si Greenergy. Right, we mentioned to you guys, pag nag-green yan, that will be your support, that will be your signal. I will buy that one. And then, if ever bumaba man talaga sa major support niya, which is around this level, 2.17, and then that is a buy more level. Bodegahin nyo lang muna to. Greenergy has been doing well naman so far. Second quarter earning even is at 106%, so that's very good. Bodegahin nyo muna. Right? This is for Ian Villaruel. APL, thanks. Ay, nabasa na natin to sa APL. Right? Pull back and bounce po kay APL before you wanna get in. Right? That is for Rick Rodrigo and Ian. Mga pala guys sa Izanagi, it's already 101%. Guys, hopefully mag-register kayo. We only have 6 more days for the promo of XM. Yung promo ni XM is hanggang September 30 lang. So I want to keep reminding you guys, please take advantage of it. XM, if you put in $500, technically you won $500 already. That's a lot already. 25,000 of free buying power. Whatever that money earns goes to you. Sa inyo na po yun. I don't know if you know, you understand that kind of opportunity. Hopefully, mag-register na kayo sa Izanagi. Napakadali lang po mag-register. Just create the account, register. Just follow the instructions. You should be okay. Yung Valkyrie naman natin. Valkyrie is up 494. Hindi naman ganong gumalaw talaga today. But then again, it's still doing good, right? I am at my second month of this account. Linagyan ko to ng $500. We're already up 4.94%, which is already very, very good. Especially if ever mas malaki yung amount na linagay mo. Maliit lang kasi yung amount na linagay ko dito, $500 lang. So, if ever, baka mas malugi pa kayo because of the payment of his Valkyrie. So, if ever, mas malaking amount na gusto nyong mas conservative ang galaw, Valkyrie is your way, right? Merong mga days na pulahan siya, but the recovery trades are always very beautiful. So, overall, nag-up naman to. Ang pinaka-imba talaga is Izanagi. Sobrang galing. And nakita nyo tong yellow na spot na ito. This is the positions nung negative pa siya. Tapos nung nag-recover yung mga positions, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, boom, lumilipad siya, nag-gap down. Gap, another gap right there. So performance niya for September is up already 14%. So nung nagsimula ang September, if you're already in this, dapat na may 14% na kayo na income. Excuse me. For Izanagi. Right, andyan na. Dice, Lloyd, your insights on ABBV. Thank you. Let's check it out. ABBV. Technical analysis lang to guys. Please make sure you do your ganda. You do your part of the research. Make sure this is a good company. It's a beautiful support right there. I would say that is a buy, man. Good find. Galing. This is from Dice. Just make sure alam nyo ano nangyari dito. What happened with this one right here? Bakit siya nag-gap down? Understand bakit nangyari yan muna before you wanna buy this one. If okay lang naman, market sentiments lang, the sell off, the company is still doing well, and that should be a buy right there. So make sure alam nyo ano nangyayari. Right. Noel Dabalos, Dito po. Thanks. Let's check out Dito. Mga pala, si Bitcoin. Yeah, I told you guys it was already down on a downtrend. It should still go down and it's still going down. Dito, Semi, Engulfing pattern right here. Eto, buy natin is 7.41 pero pang long term kasi bodega ang mode nito at 7.41. I mean, 7.33 is our main support. Right? So, bodega style yan. Kamustahin natin si Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Another drop right there, but that's lower lows and lower highs. That means Bitcoin is still on a downtrend. Hopefully, nakapag-take profits na kayo. I did tell you guys to take profits around this level kasi ang lakas na ng resistance dito. Yes, nag-breakout siya, but after the breakout, we saw that it was still bearish. So, hopefully, hindi kayo sumakay. Pinigilan ko nga kayo kahit na nag-breakout yun, di ba? I didn't want you to buy it right there. And you should have saved a lot of money. Don't worry. Once Bitcoin stabilizes, I will tell you when to buy. Right? I've been repeating myself before. Buy nyo na dito, buy nyo na dito, buy nyo na dito sa area na ito, 30K. You should have won already. Ngayon, wala pa muna. Stay away from Bitcoin lang muna. Right? At least man lang, healthy na yung gala ni Bitcoin. Diba? Hindi na hype na tulad nito. Right? That's for Bitcoin. Rantabilas, good evening po. Magde-deposit po na po ako by Monday, Sir XM. Para sa Izanagi. That's good to know. 26 pa po naman ang Monday. So, 27. So, you are still up for the promotion. Hanggang September 30 lang yung promotion kasi. So, hopefully, makuha ninyo. Sir Crypto is dropping po pala. Nabasa natin pala. Going back to YouTube. Aurora Cabao. Sir Lloyd, hanggang 12 pesos per share ba aabot ang e-Centex? I don't know for sure. Ayokong hulaan. Pwede po siyang umabot ng 12 or pwedeng ito na yung pinakataas niya. At this point, nonetheless, kung umabot man ng 12 yan o hindi, it is at a no-buy zone. So, wag nyo na pong hahabulin yan. Let it pull back and at the very least, look for a good support for you to get in. Pull back, bounce, that's where you try to buy it and then cut loss lang below that kasi malayo-layo ang bagsak nyo. If ever mag-collapse man yan, there's a possibility of that happening. Regardless of mag 12 pesos man ito or mag 13 pesos or mag 12.50, it's already way up there. It's not a good trade anymore. Unless day trader kayo. If you know how to day trade, pwede nyo sakyan and then bantayan nyo pag kung gumalaw pa and then chupit lang. Right? That's day trading. Pwede naman yon. Pero hindi kayo day trader, wag na po. Please, wag na. Just save your money. Jaco07, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Shout out po sa wife ko, si MJ. Good evening sa inyo. Alright, the family that invests together. Yan, the family that invests together sa stock market na iipit together. Biro lang. Alright, good evening sa inyo, Jaco, and to your wife, MJ. FTCV. Let's check out FTCV. International market naman tayo. FTCV, FinTech Acquisition. Support, massive support right here. Good find. Let it bounce. Next green is gonna be your buy point for FTCV. Ian Cesar Villaruel, Sir Lloyd, ask ko lang kapag swing trade ba kayo, ilang percent ng cut loss nyo sa TP nyo? Right? Usually, ang cut loss ko is negative 3% below supports. Yan yung pang swing trades ko. Pag ano naman kasi ako, pag position trades, usually yung ginagawa ko, nagbobodega ako. Right? So, for swing trades, yan, negative 3% below support. So, technically, after yung support, what if 2% ko siya nabili, plus the 3% na 2% from the support ko siya nabili, tapos plus the 3% na buffer ko, so around 5% to 6% yung stop loss ko. Excuse me. Alright. Moving forward. Emily Gulciano, sir, listed daw si Asen sa Singapore. Yeah, isa sila sa mga listed na internationally. Kaya lumilipad si Asen. Tsaka si Converge. Isa yan sa mga rason bakit umaakyat sila. Right? Pero, the thing is, they're all the way up there. Emily, kamusta na yung Asen mo? Right? Asen is still good. Right? There is still the trend. If pumula na yan, please take profits. And then, use your MA20 as your major support sa natirang half, right? That way you end the trade with on a good note. You don't really have to win it all kasi baka umakyat pa, di ba? Malakas pa rin ang momentum ni Asen. Right? Alright. So, yun. 8:34. Medyo late ako pagsimula eh. Dice, Lloyd, maglalaro ba kayo ng Diablo 2 sa mobile? Ang dami ko na linalaro. Naglaro ako ng Pokemon. Inaabangan ko lang talaga is the Ember Sword. If it's really good, then I'm gonna make that my day job. Kasi habang naglalaro kayo, pwede kayo makakuha ng items na pwede nyo ibenta sa market. So you can earn at the same time. I think that is gonna be my day job na. Right? Playing while earning at the same time. Right? And then, trading din at the same time. Kasi, eto lang the beauty about Izanagi right now is this one right here. Because it's doing well for me. It's doing really well for me. I don't really have to focus on my trades. It's even doing better than my stocks trading. Diba? So, Izanagi, we're really happy we started it. And because of this, I can afford to do whatever things I want na. Diba? Gusto ko i-focus na talaga si Izanagi sila Valkyrie. Doon na yung passive income ko, and I already have meron naman tayo ibang investments pa that's already that puts money in our pockets already. So I can do what I want at this point. Maglalaro ako to earn at the same time. So it's having fun and earning at the same time for me. Naabangan ko lang si Ember Sword ko. It's because I think that's gonna be the game that I'll be doing. I'll be playing NFT. Kasi parang nag-align na. Gaming, I'm a gamer, and I'm a trader at the same time. So, and then nag-fuse yung dalawa. Gaming and trading. Magkasama. So, it's perfect for me. So, I'm gonna be focusing on that. And, of course, eto, si Izanagi and Valkyrie and Trend Follower. Yung tatlong bot na yan, ipo-focus namin. We're gonna be keeping on optimizing the bots so that mas maganda pa rin ang performance. We wanna improve this one. If it's already doing well, we are still gonna look for parameters. Ano yung mga na-miss natin. Ang ginagawa po kasi namin is we review the results sa trades. Ganito, ganyan. And then we try to tweak ano pang maganda sana if ever ganito mas maganda ba. And then we backtest the new program, and if it's doing well, we create an account at testing namin doon before namin isasend yan. Ilalagay sa Izanagi ninyo. But it's matrabaho siya. Pero it's very rewarding kasi once na-set up na yan, isang trabahuan lang. Pag na-set up na yan at maganda na, like this one right here, the one you're seeing, wala na kayong gagawin. Right? We can even leave this program already as it is. Kahit na hindi namin i-improve to. Maganda na yung takbo niya. We already did backtesting this. Even through the pandemic, it was doing well. So, yeah. I'm gonna be focusing more on this. Right? And then, syempre, ililibre pa rin namin yan para sa inyo. Aurora Cabao, Sir Roy, GMA 7 and MM pala. Sorry, late ako. Nasa work kasi ako. Thank you po. No problems. Ganyan ako dati. Nag-work and then studying in the stock market and nagta-trade at the same time. So, I really understand. So, that's okay. GMA 7, this is for Aurora. GMA 7, we are hitting resistances once again. So, that is 3 times the charm. That's a triple top. That's a bearish signal right there. I would say, stay away from this already. Pero, overall, ascending triangle naman yung pinapakita niya. So, that's, at the very least, that's still bullish. Sige, mag-election na rin naman eh. Diba? Election, malaki kita ni GMA 7. I guess, it will be a good trade right here. GMA 7, pag nag-breakout, trade. Right? Jokat, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Dice, may plans ba kayo to develop for stocks naman after ng Forex? Ang problema sa stocks kasi yung program namin for scalping kasi iba kasi yung stocks iba ang datingan ng stocks. Ang ginagawa kasi namin is scalping. I'll give you a little hint about the broad program. Kasi si Forex, meron siyang mga news. Nakikita niyo yung mga nagpa-pop up dito every now and then. Meron siyang mga news, right? So, what we do is, because it's trading 24/5, it's much more efficient compared to stocks na hindi. So, mas sulit siya. That's number 1. Number 2 is, what we do is, we avoid big news first. Paglabas ng news, zero trades yan Izanagi. Right? Hindi mag-trade yan, hindi mag-open ng position, ganito, ganyan. Right? What Izanagi does is, wait for the what do you call this? The hype, yung hype ng news niyan to subside before it wants to trade. Okay? So, yung news kasi na yun, nagka-create ng in-day trend. And yun yung tinitrade ni Izanagi. Sa stocks kasi, walang ganun. Right? That's one of the reason why maganda ang Forex trade. I will tell you this, guys, ha. One of the reason why maganda si Forex trade is mas predictable siya. In a sense na pabalik-balik lang naman ang mga news. Like employment sa isang country, the produce nila, export, import. Pag may bad news dyan, usually nagdi-dip down. If bad news niya, nagdi-dip down and usually causes a downtrend within the day. So if the downtrend starts, we can start the short selling. Yun yung kagandahan kay Forex. I-research nyo lang sa simula, maybe spend a month on whatever o kung whatever makes the market moves. Makikita nyo naman yan if obserbahan nyo yung market. Pag open ng US market, tingnan nyo yung mga news ni US, kung anong mga news. Kung ito yung news, if the market goes up, abangan nyo yung news na yan sa susunod na week or next week na yan. And then you know already what to do. And then pwede nyo i-scalp kasi yun. Right? So that's the beauty about Forex. If you really wanna focus on trading, day trading, Forex is the way, right? Because of those factors. And when we incorporated those factors in dito sa Izanagi, and it's been doing well. Galing. Isay Samsona. Listed pala, sir, si Isan sa Singapore Exchange. Nakabay ako ng shares through GoTrade. Galing, ha? That's good to know. Emily Gutiana, antay ko pa next week. Sir, pag nag-red yun, benta ko na. That's for Isan. Congratulations, Emily. Laki na ng panalo mo dyan, ha? Chart Fernandez, hello, sir. Ilang percentage ba ang bawas pag nag-sell na ng stock? Actually, calculated na yan sa sa eToro. Sa Philippine Stock Exchange iba, pero nakalimutan ko yung formula nun. Pero if your brokers, meron niyang information for yung sa mga bawas. Okay. Vincent Pascual, hi sir, baka di nyo lang po nakita pero pwede po ba pasilip si Meg Bloom? Hindi ko nakita, Vincent, sorry about that. Nakita ko sa taas na yun. So let me just let's go to the charts. Mega World. Mega is a buy. Sinabi ko sa inyo, kaya may bilog yan dyan, because pag nag-green yan, that's a buy. Pero bodega ang strategy for Meg since already very low naman po siya. For Bloom naman, let's check out Bloomberry. Okay, Bloomberry, lower highs. Supports right here. Abangan lang muna natin sa baba. Mukhang ba-downtrend pa siya. Bloom. That's for Bloom. JFC. JFC resistance. Pag nag-breakout, that's gonna be your entry point or kung bumalik sa support. So, dun lang. Next is AC. Ayala Corporation. Major resistance right here. Breakout. Saan sila lang muna na? Sir, anong say mo kay Koti? Is it a stock? What's a Koti? Form optimized for creating price stable coins. Okay. Wait. I'm not sure what's wrong. I think there's something wrong with my internet or I need to restart my So, coins by issuing your own. Ito? Yeah, I've heard about this. Pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili niyong coins through Koti. Koti pala yun. Right? You can create your own tokens actually. Yun yung isa sa mga downsides sa crypto talaga. Anyone can create their own tokens kasi. So, yun. But, Koti USDT. Uptrend, man. After hitting the support, nag-rally, pull back, let it bounce before you want to get in. Maganda yung rally niyan. There's volume on that breakout. Next bounce will be the entry for Koti. Right? Let's go back to Facebook. Yan. Hello sir, ilang percentage? Nabasa na natin to. Right, so I think there's problem with my internet and PC kaya napuputol yung live ko. So Yes, we're gonna be cutting it short. It's 8:45 already. Gusto ko rin kasi mag-enjoy kayo. Huwag puro stocks lang naman iniisip. Para naman po, mag-enjoy rin kayo. Try Izanagi out. Izanagi and Valkyrie na bot. Sobrang ganda ng bots. It's been giving us so much returns already. Congratulations sa mga Izanagi na. Sa mga hindi pa, this is the perfect time to start. Si XM may promotion, double your investment. So, hanggang September 30 lang po yan. Ito double yung buying power ninyo. Hindi nyo pwedeng withdrawin yon, but it's gonna double your buying power. Okay? So, hopefully you take advantage of it. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you next week. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and most importantly, please stay safe. Wala po lahat ng mga pinagagawa natin. If ever, maki-meeting tayo kay Papa Jesus. So, stay healthy, stay safe, and most of all, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy your earnings. Galing. Izanagi, man. Sobrang ganda ng weekend natin. I'll see you next week. Bye.